Grand Rising class. We back with it. If you've been following, they taught us the days of the week, but not how to fucking use it. So we're fixing that shit now. Yesterday was Wednesday, Mercury Day, Mind Day. Think it out, talk it out, wire the system. Today, Thursday, in case you needed the fucking reminder. And Thursday's a whole different fucking animal. Thursday is ruled by Jupiter. Expansion, growth, truth, consequences, the big picture. This is not a do the thing day, and it's not a figure it out day either. This is a direction day. If Wednesday is about information, Thursday is about what that information means. If you woke up today questioning your path, thinking long term, reevaluating your choices, feeling checked by life, feeling pressure around money, purpose, or integrity, you're not off, you're on Jupiter time. Jupiter rules expansion, beliefs, truth, growth, ethics, long-term vision, cause and effect. Thursday shows you where things are headed, not where they are right now. So don't be fooled by your current situation. This is not a day for shortcuts. This is not a day to fucking fake it. This is not a day to overpromise. Because Jupiter doesn't punish it, it exposes it. Whatever you're already doing, Thursday expands it. Good choices, bigger doors. Bad habits, louder lessons. So what should you actually be doing on a Thursday? Minding your business. Zoom out and look at the big picture. Look at patterns, not people. Make decisions for the long game. Be honest with yourself. Handle money, planning, paperwork. Ask, is this expanding me or is it boxing me the fuck in? Bust out of the box. This is a course correction day. Not a hustle day. If Tuesday was the spark and Wednesday was the wiring, Thursday's the direction of the fucking current. If something stalls today, that's information. If something opens easily, that's alignment. Not force, not rushed, just truth. And tomorrow we're going to talk about Friday. Different frequency, of course. What the fuck happened there? Shit. Different frequency, but today, choose wisely. I don't know if you remember on Monday, I said the energy for this week was a pause. 303, what's up, Dad? Pause before anything. Pause, then react, then do whatever. But don't react. We're not supposed to react. That's why there's a pause. If you feel like you're gonna fucking explode, 100%, that's for you. Fucking stop. Pause. Say you'll get back to them. Whatever the fuck you need to do, don't answer anything in the moment. Actually, that just sparked the fucking topic. My next topic. Which this makes sense because I mentioned it to a friend last night. So it dropped last night and I didn't pick up on when it was dropped. So it got re-dropped again. Got it. Aye, Captain. Remember, I'm just the vessel here delivering the fucking messages. The downloads come and, my job is to fucking formulate it into words and package it and deliver it. So with that being said, tune back in for what's coming next.